Introducing y'all my wife, Mara. She can go ahead and do her thing. Houston, we got a problem. We got a big damn nail in my tire. Got your little tire plug kit, razor blade. You already know what the damn deal is. So here go my girl unwrapping it. Getting her toolbox out. Get the damn pliers, get the nail out of the tire. You know, pull my sucker out. There you go. Put that thumb in a hole. And here she comes, trying to get the hole in nice and clean. You know, screwing in there, you know, it's a little hard to get in there, but there she goes, she got it. She a little twist and turn. Twist and turn, twist, twist, twist. There you go. In and out, you know, just like that. Keep on doing it like that, yeah. Good shit, good shit. Just getting a little stickiness. The little putty, whatever you call those things. Put it right between there. Get a little, what do you call that? A cement glue or something like that. Just put it right in there. Get the motherfucker out. You squeeze and it's I know this part's a little hard. You know? Yeah, but she's doing it though. She's killing it. She's killing it. There she go. There she go. Try to get it all in there. All her mighty. Right in there. So poke that thing out. Next thing you do is grab a blade. You gotta be extra careful so you don't cut yourself with those. It's a little too sharp. Get them pliers. Make sure you're cutting it all the way in there. Just like that. Just like so. You can see going over top view. Just like that. It looks easy, but it's a little hard though. But she's doing it. She's doing it. Awesome job. Add a little cement in there. This will help seal the hole. Alright, she did it. Now what you're doing here is water it down. Make sure there's no air bubbles. Last thing is make sure there's air in your tire. Make sure the PCI matches. And that is it. Put the cap back on. Yeah, she did it. Awesome shit. Good shit. Say what? Your girl has done her thing.